Welcome back, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? My boy Trader, what's good? I'm waiting for his bubble to one chat. After his model one, we could possibly take a long here, but we must have the right model one. We are gonna have a buying position below the weekly, daily, and the 4 hour time frame. Model one, if it's gonna be this, is gonna be right on the daily, right below the daily 4 hour opening price, right below the daily opening price, right below the weekly opening price, which is fantastic. Yeah, you can definitely go to loss. Let's see. So if you get that confirmation, I'm looking to enter the trade. But this trade could go to get us funded, chat. It's because this trade could get us funded, but it could also go to loss. But yeah, does not look good though, bro. Does not look good though. Does not look good. You is cracking down a lot. But the good thing is we're buying below the we're buying in a discount of the dealing range. Our stop loss is below the daily time frame dealing range low, which is fantastic. We deal discount. But for market profiles, we have here a expansion, retracement, expansion, S&P the high technical level, reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement phase go above this, but I'm down negative 3%. Will not try to break even for TP1. Yes, brother. Yes, yes. Since you're in a funded account, you're gonna have that problem. Do not break even, bro. But keep in mind, we're trading on a Monday, so losses are definitely gonna happen. But Monday give us very beautiful setups. Our last two trade was a Monday trade, 13 RR and a 15 RR, right? But you gotta just think about losing every single time. Just expect to lose every single time. Then that emotion should be chilling. You should be chilling with that emotion. Because before I get into trade, I told myself I'm expected to lose. I accept the risk, and I'm saying say the psychology stuff just to get that fear away. And I feel like I tell myself I trade the chart in the data, not my PNO. I'll go based on what the market wants to do, not what I want the market to do. This will take away that emotion of I'm saying breaking even too early because you change the chart in the data, not your PNO. Your PNO says you're up a couple of pips, you break even. You don't go best out of that. You go best out of the I'm saying the actual chart says take profit has not been met because you guys know this take profit of CRT or very efficient take profit. So there's no need for you to break even too early. They're very efficient. But keep in mind we are trading Monday, so Monday are usually a hit or a miss. Hit usually if it's a hit or a miss, probably wondering, well, why are you still taking a trade on Monday? The hit is way more greater than the miss. You know what I'm saying? The miss, okay, negative 1 RR, negative 2 RR. The hit is 8 RR, 13 RR, right? The hit is way greater than the miss. If you take the miss, okay, it is what it is. Take the hit is gonna overweigh the miss by huge margin. It's just showing strong signs here, which is interesting. Kind of stagnating. I would like to see a SMT with DXY as well, bro. The SMT with DXY would be nice. But if not, it would be cool. The reason I say that is because market go down here, make it sweep out this slow, then go up higher because what I'm saying the SMT goes like this. SMT with this low and this low, SMT with this low, right? So if this low can get SMT on, eventually you have SMT with this low and this low will be fantastic, right? But my boy Trader, how you down negative 3%, brother? What you been taking recently, bro? What's good, brother? What have you been doing recently? What's taking you down that much? Yeah, let's see, chat. Two losses in EU and one loss in gold. Bro, as I said, bro, trade one pair. The reason I say one pair is that it's market manipulation, bro. That's all I gotta say, man. You know how people say, well, sometimes EU moves good, sometimes EU moves, bad. Sometimes EU moves good, sometimes EU moves bad. It's just a market manipulation, right? You would know if you trade one pair, you would know the best time to enter that pair, right? And eventually that pair will perform better than the other pair. It's a market manipulation people do. That's why I say I only use GU as a SMT divergence confluence, nothing else but SMT divergence, right? Everything else is just me trying this, right? Yeah, bro, I'm sticking to EU only. Yes, sir, bro. Cause GU, my boy Trader, gold is different, right? So keep in mind, gold goes by that 2610 mark. Which cause I don't know I don't know where you live right now. If you live in India, Like that's like during the AM, right? Because you gotta wake. Because you trade New York in the PM time, right? For India's time zone. So your time is gonna get fucked. You know what I'm saying? So trading anything that's futures for you is gonna be awful because the timing of that purge of those timing. They are like in during the India AM or India PM, right? Where it's 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. something like that over there, where you need to be sleeping, if I could say so like that. If I could say so like that, if I could say so like that. Let's see though, Chad. Let's see. I mean, if we get a scan to close, like it doesn't matter how the scanner closes, but you need to get that confirmation for a push up. Can we please get that confirmation? I'm trying to lose a -1 hour in the day so I can end the day with a -1%. Please, please, Poppy. I just want to lose my money. Yeah, that's what I like. Because losing money is easily the best thing you can ever do. Money man, money flow at Mayweather. Chad, we must have the right model one. If we do not have the right model one, I will not take the trade. You know what I mean? No, you know. If you know, if you know. Oh, 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 oh. What am I doing, bro? What am I doing? Just morning time. My day looking good, looking good. Life is good, Alhamdulillah. La ilaha illallah. Mm. Just waiting for this confirmation. Will you give me that confirmation? Will you? Yeah. I'm willing to lose. I'm willing, willing, willing to lose my money. Just close wallets or perish. Don't matter because you don't got no confirmation. Uh, bust up strong as hell. Okay. And just want to die. I want to die. All right, Chad. We're just waiting for this confirmation. Information. Are we gonna cook or are we gonna get cooked, Chad? Let me know. Let me know. Come on, we gotta give a full counter range, bro. If we don't get a full counter range, we're first. We're first, the man. We're first, the man. And the man, the man. Bella de Bella. Baya de Baya. Baya. We're gonna check the chart and the data, not our PNL. So we only need 5% to pass. We're getting 9%. But if we, as you guys know, when you do partials, you're gonna make less than what you're initially supposed to make. So if we're making 9, we're gonna make like a 7 or a 6 RR, right? But we're gonna hug to last TP. Don't know if we're gonna hit stop loss though. I don't know if it's gonna hit take profit though. I don't know. Probability. This is not breaking my rules, so I don't care, man. I don't care if you take profit. I don't care if you take topless. I don't care. All I care about is now money. All I care about is that. All I care about is me building good habits and following my rules and gaining satisfaction from building good habits. So today, regardless of the outcome, if we have the right rule, if you have the right setup, regardless of the outcome, we're gonna be happy. We're gonna be satisfied because we build good habits. As we know, over the long term, we are going to be big profits if we build good habits and focus on the process, not the outcome. Focus on the long term, not the short term, and gain satisfaction from building good habits and enjoying, joining, enjoying the process. You know what I'm saying? Chat. Shake that at, check that at, check that out, check that out, check that out. Check that out, check that out. Check that out, chat, check that out, chat. My boy trader, don't try to get that. You know, say just because you get your first payout. I had that problem too, where I got my first payout and I thought I was unstoppable, right? And what I'm saying, I got in drawdown. So stick to your rules, bro. Trade one pair. Like if you're my boy, if you're trading one pair and you got funded by trading, like I don't know, I'm pretty sure you only traded EU and got funded by EU, right? If that one pair got you funded and got you a payout, why do you trade any other pair? Every pair will give you a set of the same setup, but just different ways, just different time a little bit, right? But give the same amount of RR, same amount of thing, right? Because if EU goes down, GU is gonna go down. UTGP are gonna go up or down. Whatever's gonna happen, right? But they're all gonna give you guys the same type of setup. There's no difference, right? So don't get in that stage. Don't stay in that stage. Stick to one pair for the rest of your life. Why do we pick EU for the rest of our life? EU is the best one because EU has good relationship with America. So type shit. You know what I'm saying? Chatter. Alright, let me stop this corner shit. Let's start this kind of shit. This is the 1 a.m. high. Okay, so I'm looking to long this. So we have a 20.3 pip stop loss, 20.3 pips stop loss. I'm looking to I'm gonna try my stop loss to 20.5 pip stop loss. The 20.5. Yep. So we have a 20.5 pip stop loss. Let's hope we get the right model one. If we don't get the right model one, it is what it is. But if we don't, this is only compared to this. All right, we might get a closure above that. If we get a closure above this body of this candle, we're probably gonna not put our stop loss all the way down there. But as of right now, just from this model one, we're gonna put a 20.5 pip stop loss. Chat, are we gonna get cooked? Hell yeah, we are. We're high likely to get cooked, chat. We're high likely to get a stop loss here. But as you guys know, we're risk takers. If we never take risks in life, how are you ever gonna make it out? You know what I'm saying? Ay, my balls. See my balls. Shit. Yeah, my hand is that strong. Wink, wink. I want that big head again. Chat, you guys know I could say the N-word, chat. Like, I am half. I'm half everything. Oh, that sounded no. That's not a. That's not a good thing. Dang, even a little drop it hurts my wink, wink head. Oh, oh, don't do this with me, man. We have 7 minute close, please. So we have a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, so expansion, SMT, reversal, retracement, expansion. Oh my goodness. This looks very slave. Half slaves? Yes, sir, bro. Hey, I swear to God, chat, I was a slave, brother. I swear to I can't say I can swear to God because I never swear to God in any situation unless it's very, very, you know what I'm saying, very, very serious. Otherwise I never swear, but I was one of those. Because if you guys my boy Trader, you know where you're from. You from India, right? So I think we have the same type of historic where you're in poverty or something we just sell you. 'Cause where I was from, they sold me, bro. I was like, damn. My dad trying to just on my ass. I'm like, what? What you trying to do, bro? I was like, what you trying to do? He's like, I don't want your ugly ass, man. Fuck, I don't fuck with you. You don't bring fire to the family. I'm like, what you talking about? They got my kid. So I was like, oh, they got my kid. What you talking about? What you talking about? Chama, chama, chama. I was like, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? Call me useless? Call me useless? Alright, let me stop getting emotional, bro. But yeah, man, hey, it is what it is. Come on, bro. You can't do this, bro. Oh, bro. Pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Pull back a little bit. No, no, dude. Don't do this. Let's say we get the body here just for the body. Let's see. Okay, we can do the body. Okay, we're not gonna even have the extra pip stop loss. We're gonna have that tight ass stop loss. We're gonna have that. So 20.3. So to right over here, we're gonna have to go for the initial take profit. The initial take profit needs to be 2RR regardless. But we could also take a threshold. Keep it in mind as well. We're gonna decide what type is gonna be when the candle closes. You in, bro? And the next candle of the 15-minute time frame, if it has my entry. If it does not, then no. But I'm looking forward to entering. You know what I'm saying? My nigga. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying, my boy? Manav Parmar. My boy Gojo had it. Alright. Let me stop these racist comments to people, bro. Might be racist. I'm not be racist, Chad. You guys can't say I'm racist. I like to be a slave, so if I was just to be a slave, I can't be racist. Yeah, I could talk now, yeah? I could talk now. I could talk my shit. Talk my shit. But chill out. Yes, bro, it's early in the morning, bro, and I'm more the geek, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I probably don't know what I'm saying because I can't hear, bro. My ear gone here. My ear gone, chat. That boy beat the hell out of me. I can't be hear no more. I don't know, bro. Oh no, man. Let's see. If the full candle closure gives us a 2 RR, we're willing to take it. Okay, it gives us a 2 RR. Okay, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take a touch hit. I'll take a touch hit. I'm gonna take a touch hit. Let me get my money ready. Why body entry? No, it's not confirmed yet, so I don't know what type of body. I don't know what type of entry until the next and then the last minute we're gonna decide, right, what type of entry is gonna be. As of right now, I don't know. So I'm just putting it as a random take profit because it's gonna close over here. So if it can close over here, we're gonna do this. But chat, will we enter the threshold? We're not gonna enter the threshold. Why? It doesn't look that big. It doesn't even look like it doesn't look like that big as of a candle. Right? As a candle, it's not that fat, so we're not going to enter at it. But because it already offers the 2 RR over here, so we're chilling on that. So 2 RR to right over here. Actually, basically 3 RR. I don't even know. Basically 2.8 RR. Yeah. Eventually, the last take profit offers us that 5.9. We're not gonna pass the account with this because the partially gonna make us less, but it is what it is. You know this chatter. You know this chatter. Bro, if this could close below the body, it would be fantastic, man. Let's see though. Let me get my money ready here. Alright, I got my money ready. Alright. We're looking to long this bad boy. But if he does this candle closure, bro, we're not enter the body, bro. I don't know. Shit. We're entering the threshold, huh? If he does this candle, huh? Somehow, I don't know. Chad, we're gonna expect to lose this trade. I've already expected to lose this trade before I even think about trading. I've already expected to lose. I've expected to win in the long term. I trust in the long term. When I lose, I feel nothing. When I win, I feel nothing. When I'm wrong, I feel nothing. When I'm right, I feel nothing. It's nothing personal, strictly business. A winning trade does not excite me. A losing trade does not phase me. A missing trade does not concern me. Do you think the purge time is good? Yes, brother. It's between 6 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. You can see, if my boy Menover Parmer, join my Discord. I've literally just talked about this purge timing. Discord, check the Discord. I talked about I was talking about this loan to get sued one more time because this low that got soup, that soup is that soup out the COT low. The purge timing was wrong. You feel me? Okay, 30.30 pip stop loss. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. 30.30. Whoa, 30.3, I mean. All right, chat. Let's lock in. I'm gonna work to enter. So we have a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. Okay. So for our to take profit with this entry, we're offering us it offers us a 2 R and above. So the last take profit, it offers us a 5.9. Get the TP straight because I like my shares straight. All right, chat. So we're looking for a 30.3 per stop loss, 30.3 per stop loss. Okay, we're looking to use 13.5 pip stop loss. All right, chat. I'm looking to long this bad boy. So we have a 30.3, 30.3. We're looking more 20%. Okay. So right when it taps, I'm looking to enter the trade. So if it taps it, I'm looking to enter. But if it closes above this other candle, I'm tapping the other candle. We're looking to, we're looking to enter the trade right now. Once it taps it, hopefully it doesn't give me that bad entry. Let's see if we're gonna get entry here. And 96.55 going to look to enter. No, 50% entry. That's only gonna be if the candle's kind of fat. Holy, the entry was off. Holy, 96.70. A 50 pip difference. Holy shit. It is what it is, bro. I ain't gonna be fuck with it. Bro, I may as well get out of this trade and re-enter this, but I can't break my rule, you know what I'm saying? 52. Damn, that's big. Let me change my stop loss to 93.52. So stop loss is at 93.52. Why am I looking to enter the looking to enter here? First, effort is a good amount of entry, good amount of order order to take profit. And second, it's not that big of a stop. It's not that big of a candle. It's not that bulky. So it's good to enter over here. Good man. Here 11. So 11. 11. 460. So 11.11466 there. 11.11466 All right, chat. I can't do nothing about the entry. Gotta take it like this. All right. We have our entry at hectic, man. Kind of hectic. 96.70, bro. Wait, so what's the difference? So we have our entry at 96.70. 96.70 have a stop loss pip of that 96.70 stop loss at 93.2 93.52 take profit at take profit at 11 14 16 14 6 14 66 14 66 14 66 yeah, so our stake profit is going to be at 14.66 entry at 96.70 96.70 take profit stop loss at 93.750 okay, with that right, everything we're chilling. What's the difference between our entry on this and this? This was a 5.9 RR. This one is a 5.6 RR. Okay, there's not a lot of difference, right? This is over here. This entry is at what? So 96. I gotta see this entry. 96.55 is at where an entry was at what? 96.70. My boy said, bro, are you a CIC upper class student? I do not know what CIC upper class students say. I just took this name when I just fucking saw ICT having the ICT, the inner circle trader. I was like, okay, I trade CRT, so I'm gonna say the CRT inner circle trader type shit. I do not know about the CIC upper class, brother. I'm pretty sure that is a course name. My name might be out of the course, but it is what it is. Or even looking at the course, I saw mine. I just think a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I was like, shit, let me think about this good name. But yeah, all the credits goes to my boy Romeo and my boy ACT. Anybody else? Fuck you guys. But yeah, chat, he's accept the risk. It is what it is if we lose. And yeah. But yeah, we're going for a 5.6 pip stop loss. If it goes in a loss, it goes in a loss. I can't do anything about it. There's a pretty good reaction. There's a pretty good push. I don't even. Oh, yeah. Cristiano Ronaldo. What's good, my boy? CR7. Shout out to my boys Cristiano Ronaldo. Hey, we got Cristiano Ronaldo in our Discord, bro. That shit. See, we. CSC's a new, Roma's new course, dog. Oh, shit. That is what it is, bro. I name was out of the course name. It's crazy, bro. Crazy. Crazy. It's crazy. What the fuck? Oh, chat. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, it doesn't. This setup will highly go to loss, chat. Keep that in mind. But is accept the risk. Yo, what's up, bro? Show the press. I got you, man. What's good? What's good, my boy Yogi? Let's take this loss and be done for the day. Oh yeah, that's bro. Why's your room dark as hell? Because I like it dark. What's your name? What's your name? Man of Parmar. Alright, let me stop, bro. Huh? So if my name is, what's my name? Oh, if my room is dark, what's your name, Man of Parmar? That's a cool ass name though, Man of Parmar. Huh? What you say? What you say, bro? What is your name? Your name is Man of Parmar. What the fuck? Alright, chat. I don't know what I'll be talking about anymore, chat. I'm just waiting for it straight to hit stop loss here, bro. If this goes back, if this is gonna loss, it's a perfect loss. I don't give a shit. Perfect loss. If he was gonna win, look this win. I wanna lose. I wanna go to the pain again. I wanna go to the pain. I wanna go to that. Damn. I'm fucked. I wanna go to the drawdown again, please. Give me that drawdown again. Manov is the name, dude. Bro, it's a cool ass name, bro. I said that's what I said. Why is your name Manov? I'm saying I just said, like, you know, you told me what's your room so dark? I said, what's your name Manov, right? Because you like it. I'm saying that's your name. What's my room dark? Because I like it dark. I hate light because when I see light, it gets me distracted. Like, gotta focus on one thing. This is the only light I have. Right? This is my only focus. Everything else, nobody. But yeah, keep in mind. This gonna be a hit or miss because it's Monday. It's a Monday. But yeah, the loss is gonna be accepted loss here though. Keep that in mind, chat. I wanna see this candle. I wanna see it for Rygap here, please, bro. For Rygap. Get it for Rygap. But yeah, if he does not inverse that if we get that for Vega to be there, bro, and leave it for Vega, that would be fantastic. Bro, I'm entering the 5 minute order block. Oh, this 5 minute order block all over here. Yeah, I do see the 5 minute order block type shit. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Ski. Closure above 5 minute order block could be a move here as well. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. People could wait for a 5 and 15 minute. To me, it's just that. You know what I'm saying? This doesn't really matter if I'm into the 5 minute. As long as the move is there, I'm gonna take it, right? I could have definitely entered the 5 minute. I could definitely enter the 5 minute because there's an Aldous CRT as well to the upside. But I'm saying sometimes what the market would do, go close over the 5 and quarter back down, right? So we want to wait for the extra confirmation, which is 15 minute. But people could definitely take out of these candles, which you know what I'm saying. Could definitely do that. But I'm not gonna do that. But we do want GU to push. Come on, GU, bro. Push upside. Bro, GU, you can't do this shit, bro. Okay, we want to see DXY SMT. On DXY SMT. Oh, hell no. There's no going to be nowhere near SMT that reverses with that DXY, bro. Oh, come on. Leave the gap at least, bro. Leave the gap. Just leave the gap open. Just leave the gap open. Look at gold too, bro. Looks delicious. Not gonna lie for us here, T. My man, I don't trade gold, bro. I don't trade Eurusd, bro. If anything else, I don't give a shit about it. Yeah, we're in deep drought around here because this entry is awful, bro. Ready for the purge? Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Come on, you can leave the gap open. You're not gonna leave the gap open. But yeah, Chad, once we go above this high, we should get a good confirmation of a reversal. But if we don't go above this high right over here, we're not going to have that confirmation that the market wants to reverse. We're going to face a loss. Which, as you guys told you guys, man, is going to be a hit or a miss on a Monday. But yeah. But we want this bad boy to please see if they get open because this is pushing too hard down here. GU is holding back EU. Yeah, because this is SMT, bro. Come on, 50 seconds. I know you do not want to purge out a candle at 50 seconds. I do not want to close a gap, bro. You gotta close in a fair price, dude. Can't do that. You're not gonna open the gap. Okay, never mind. Yeah, we're kind of fried here, Chad. Just a big candle upside and big candle downside. Looks interesting to me. But keep in mind, Chad, losing to us is very normal. I have a 40% win rate. So that means 80%, 60% of the time I'm losing. All right, keep that in mind. I do not have a 80% win rate. I do not have a 70% win rate. I do not have an 80% win rate. I only have a 40% win rate. But all I know, my winners eat my losers. They tapped the 5 minute entry. Bro, come on, G, you gotta push, bro. We need G. All we care about is GU here, bro. Cause EU that's not. We don't care about EU anymore. We care about GU. EU wants to purge, right? If GU can give a good reaction to the upside, EU will definitely follow. Right, but in the 5 minute, yep, he did give the 5 minute entry as well. So those who are taking the 5 minute, see multiple one. But into that bit. Into that bit. on, G. You know, so you gotta go. You gotta go for a fair price, G. You gotta go higher. But the good thing is that we're not buying below the weekly, daily. We're just buying below the 4 hour, which is kind of hectic, bruv. Chat, what's better to do, limit orders or execution orders, guys? Cause like I'm having this slippage is crazy. Anybody knows what's better, like a slippage or a market execution order or a limit order? I mean, you guys can, if you can, someone could let me know, bro. Cause I mean, I'm gonna need advice for that. Cause bro, I have never had a fair entry, bro. But the thing is that the part from limit orders are different because they have a different broker. So you may give me in before even trading view taps it. Yeah, I can't do that. I gotta go best out of trading view. It's okay. I don't fuck with that bitches. But yeah, chat, if we can go above this high right over here, it will be fantastic because this will confirm a reversal is gonna happen because it's gonna be an expansion, retracement, expansion. We're already currently in a reversal. It's gonna be expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement. You can do another expansion. But if you want to have a good confirmation, we need to go at least close right above this high. Eventually, we can have I'm saying, reversal can be a expansion, retracement, expansion. Eventually, we're gonna have a reversal, retracement, expansion. Eventually, we're gonna get a good confirmation because this could be as well a retracement for this, right? It can be expansion, retracement. So it could be a good retracement. So we can close above this and saying get in conflict with the retracement phase of this expansion, retracement, expansion. Then we're gonna have a good sign of a reversal. Otherwise, we're not going to have a good sign of a reversal. But yeah, Chad, this goes on a loss. It's beautiful loss because we fold everything. Check my brother's phantom wallet. Let's see how's you doing. Oh. Hey. Damn, my brother cooked, Chad. My brother cooked, brother. Bro, holy shit. He's down everything. When was the last time he bought something? Oh yeah, he quit that shit a long time ago. Yeah, that's fucked. Bro, come on, GU, bro. Push, bro. But yeah, 15 pip stop loss, 15 pip difference of his fucking issue. It's crazy. So we're originally supposed to go for a 5.9 RR, and we are going for a 5.6. That's not a big of a difference, which is fantastic. Right? I just do not want to get that 30 pip difference of entry, 50 pips of different entry. Last time I had a 30 pip difference of entry. This is crazy. 30 pips, bro. No, I mean not 30 pips, like 36. I don't know how it's called in English. I don't know what's it, I don't know how it gets called. All I know, you're pressing a button, bro. That's all I know. I just call it take a pip. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, those difference of entry is kind of crazy, bro. Let's see if we can have expansion, bro. Please, bro. You do that. Let's see if we can have a quick stop loss here. Because I would rather have this loss quick than picking loot in the next couple of hours, bro. Waiting for the next couple. Looking at the chart. Did I lose? What happened? Oh shit! Anyone? Oh, 6 hours later. Oh shit! He stop loss. No. No, I mean I don't say no, but like 6 hours later, you made me watch the fucking trading view for 6 hours. Like that's for sure, like couple. I know out of time. Yo, what? Huh? Oh, he shot me out. But if he gets stopped out quick like this, G looking good. The G looking good though. G reflecting a little bit. Days off. How about how about no days off? Not, I don't know what to say. Yeah, quick little loss, which is fantastic. But let's see. We want to see at least we could survive this definitely if GU starts acting up here. Yeah, GU and not acting up here. What you gay? Yeah, we're clap boys. Let's DXY. Do we want to see a DXY SMT? Yeah, DXY could SMT, but that SMT gonna stop our ass out. But we do have a SMT with his lows here now with GU here with DXY. I mean, but let's see if we can survive. Let's see if we can survive until GU goes and does a SMT with the highs. But I believe when we does that, we're gonna have a stop loss, which is fantastic. You know, as I said, Monday's gonna be hit or miss, and we didn't make no mistakes. Just like this, fantastic loss. Let's see if we're gonna get stocked out here. We at least need this to hold a little bit. Let's see if we can hold a little bit. Yeah, G was kind of holding it here, but yeah, we're stopped out. All we care about is I told you guys we need that SMT with DXY to make it even better. Yeah, the SMT is gonna stop us out. It's not gonna hold here. That's a huge amount of difference of a pip. Unless GU starts going up a little bit before DXY goes down. But survival rate is at 0.000% chat. That's where the survival rate is at. We're having expansion, retracement, expansion. We can have another retracement. See if we're gonna survive this or not. If we're gonna get stopped out, very beautiful. But as I said, chat, Monday is gonna be a hit or miss, but the hit is gonna overweight the miss. So we're still challenge. But yeah, let's see. I wanna see that. I wanna see my boy G start acting up here. But we do have SMT here already. We do have SMT with his highs, but we need an SMT with these highs, this daily high over there. That's what we need SMT with. There's SMT every single second. Every candle has SMT. Let's see. But we do have SMT already, but the SMT is not gonna hold as I said. Shouldn't hold until he goes over there. You want voice got deeper chat. Shama. If my boy if G was doing that type of way, bro, G was gay here, bro. We need G to act up out of any of these boys. We need GU, bro. This push up doesn't mean nothing. Trust chat, you're gonna push right back down. I'll let GU. How would you going down though? What's happening around? What's happening? Let me check what's happening around United Kingdom, bro. Always, there's always you always fucking up. What is happening around United Kingdom of Kingdoms? It's interesting because usually if GU is down a lot, EU should be pushing way more than EU. But this is in a deep discount. Deep, deep, deep. But I believe this will not hold. I think as long as they can cover the fair value gap, there's a gap right here that needs to be covered. As long as that can get covered and it's pushed back up, it's gonna cause this boy to clap. We're clapped, chat. We're clapped. As I told you guys, Monday we're gonna get clapped. Tuesday we're gonna get not. We're gonna start cooking on Tuesday, but Monday hit or miss, which is a good thing actually. You know what I mean? But keep in mind, chat, we have expected to lose already before we even think about taking this trade. The chest is not to panic. President Trump says oil prices are down, interest rates are down, food prices are down. There is no inflation. So it's lying, bro. Stop lying, bro. European Union agrees to impose on 28 billion worth of U.S. good imports. Should be some sort of abolishment, right? Yeah. Okay, we do have SMT that's holding it, but I don't believe the SMT is gonna hold though. We have SMT with these highs right over here, with this low and this high. We got SMT. SMT this, SMT this, SMT this. What's happening in the United Kingdom, bro? Cause I need my boy Gius to act up, bro. United Kingdom, what is happening, bro? Like chat, keep in mind, me searching this out is not gonna have the market, okay? Alright. I gotta go check on the market because what's happening around there, bro. Look at the condition of London is worse than any low grade city of Pakistan. United Kingdom is finished. This nigga's an Indian talking about. Oh my goodness, talking about Pakistan, bro. If you had any choice, censor really code for free. One of these countries, which one would you choose? United Kingdom, Nigeria, Thailand, Turkey. Yeah. I'd probably say no, United Kingdom, so I can move to EU. Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know why I read that comment, bro. What I read that random ass post. Chat, will we survive? Will we get cooked or will we cook? Let me know. Let me know, nigga. Let me know. We're lagging. We're bugging. We're bugging. We're lagging, chat. Hey, SMT, bro. Will you hold, please? SMT after SMT type shit. Bombo, bombo. press the wrong button. Fuck. No, 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 no. Hey, G was acting up now. Thank you. No, our chart is not acting up though. Our chart is looking little gazy, little daisy, little daisy. All right, chat. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna lose. And I love losing, chat. You guys know, man. When you're losing, you feel like, damn, we got a lot. Can't touch. Oh, come on, bro. G, you stop doing that shit. Yeah, this is funny as hell. Rich, gifted kids with a loving family and bright future. The second they turn 14 years old, give me the drugs. Give me the cocaine. Give me the Lavagusta. Alright, that was a little too far. Yeah, G is stagnating, bro. Stop doing that shit, G. What are you doing, chest nigga? You gonna don't give me you gonna don't give me races up in a bit. You know what I'm saying? Shit, chat. Will you guys censor me? Will you guys give me censored? What was it called? What is the thing called, chat? What do you guys call that? Uncensored, censored. No. What's the thing called, chat? Will you guys give me that that thing where people are racist? I'm not being racist, chat. I'm but mine sold as a slave, okay? So I got the privilege to say that shit, nigga. I got a privilege. If you gonna sell me, I'm gonna say that nigga word all day. Fuck that nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nigga didn't deserve my ass, bro. Fuck that nigga. They gonna fuck me up, and I'm still living life though, nigga. Fuck that, cause fuck that nigga, bro. That nigga fuck me up, nigga. Fuck that nigga. That nigga fuck me up. He got me fucked up. That nigga say something like, "I don't want you. Fuck you." He threw me in the river, nigga. I can't not forget that shit. That shit come on every day. Nigga, I was like, when I wake up today, I woke up because of that shit. I woke up at 3. I woke up at 2 a.m. I was like, nigga. I had a dream where that nigga told me like, "Oh shit, you're fucking useless piece of shit, son. You're a fucking slave. I don't want you." I had a sleep where he threw me in a river, bro. I was like, oh, I gotta wake up, bro. I got no choice but to be rich. I got no choice but to be rich. Cause that nigga got me fucked up, man. Fuck that nigga. Alright, let me just screenshot the. I'm not gonna screenshot. So every time I screenshot something, I always get fucked up. Chad, this is the aftermath of that thing. Oh shit. I lost plus registration. Okay, so we got a good confirmation. We got an expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, reversal, retracement, expansion. Fantastic. I just need a bigger side of a candle, bro. That's all I care about. Will we hit chat? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't give a fuck about that. Oh yeah, you pushing. Type shit. Geo is pushing. No. Mommy, puppy. You pushy. Take Shiki. El papi. That's gotta be corny as hell, bro. But we got a shitty as intro. What it is, yeah. I can't do anything about it. Bro, yeah, you guys heard that Fortnite henchman? We're expressing too much emotional. We're getting too emotional, right? We just gotta dry down out of here, okay? It's too much emotion. That's an emotional roller coaster. I'm not even trying to express my emotion. Right? I'm not emotional. Just that I'm trying to detain. But if I lock in right now, you guys will not hear a single word from me. You just see me. You go just see me like do this the whole time. Oh yeah, we lost. Damn. Yeah, good loss. Probably too loss. Yeah, we didn't make no mistake. It's alright. But since I'm live streaming, oh yeah, Bing chilling， 双休说是我是北京放生。That's racist. Whatever I said was just racist. Pure racist. Shout out to my Chinese people. If you're Chinese, I love you, man. If you're Japanese, I love you. If you're Korean, I love you. If you're North Korean, I love you. I love you even more, bro. Wait, North Korea or South Korea? Wait, what's the difference between North Korea and South Korea? What's the difference between them? I love the North Korea. I think they're the good side, right? That North Korea is the good side. Yeah, I love the North Korean. No, North Korea is the bad side. No, it's the good side. They're both the good side. North Korea, I just love you anymore. I just love North Korea the most. Yeah. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not stuttering. I love them way more than anybody else. You know why? She's been chilling. Been chilling. Alright, let me stop. Let me stop being racist to my Chinese people. I act like I'm not one of them. Jesus, been chilling. Alright, bro. Been chilling. Minging. Hey, you pushing. I told you I just have to call the market makers. I say like, hey, bro, stagnating over there, man. You stagnating. You know you down so much. You gotta get up a little bit. All right, you gotta at least let at least EU hit our first take profit. So we can break even. So we can partial. And you can take our stop. You can hit our stop loss, but they can be a straight trade. But I say I have to call the United Kingdom like, hey, King Charles III, you have to big that bitch up. You know, so I say you can't just fuck that shit up. You know what I'm saying? Mubarak, my boy, Charles III. I don't know if you're a Muslim anymore, but like I think you're a Muslim now because like you said some surah. So I'm Mubarak for that, man. But pump the market up a little bit, man. And the market was like, okay. He was like Charles III was like, okay, I got you. Just for you, Tuck. Just for you, the CRT industry trader. Anybody else, I wouldn't do it. But for you, cause you know, you're that guy. You just called me from USA. I was like, you know, from a dark room, you made a call at me. I was like, you know, say, hey, I said, pump that shit up. You all that fuck. You pump that shit up, nigga. I got you. Don't say less. I'm gonna leave their SMT though. I'm gonna leave that. But nothing is guaranteed. You might lose that shit. I ain't gonna lie. You might lose a trade though, because you know, it's a Monday trade. You know, it's Monday. You know what I'm saying? So I need some people to lose. So you might be one of them. I'm like, shit. But hey, probability though. Probability though. All right, King Charles III. I'll see you later. Just like that. This is how I got my boy King Charles III to push up the market. All right, was that entertaining? That was not entertaining. Okay. I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna upload that. What video this? How do chat? How do I pin this specific price point of the live stream? Chat, how do I record myself? How do I record that live streaming part? I don't know how to record, chat. I don't know how to record. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, twin. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Bro. Where was it? Where was it? It was a couple minutes ago. Chat, clip that, chat. Somebody clip that and send it to me. In Discord. Bro, I don't see that. Oh. Hold up, keep pushing. Bro, what is this? How do you guys even use this, bro? Bro, you're some computer warriors, bro. I hate your computer warriors. Do it one more time. I'm gonna kiss you. Oh, you son of a fuck. Chat, can you guys not attack? Can you guys somebody talk to me? Cause I am kinda lonely. But how do I do, bro? All I gotta do is just go over here. I have to use my brain a little bit. I'm funny as hell, chat. I just want you to sound funny, chat. You guys don't think I'm funny? Always not think I'm not funny? You leave my live stream right now. Damn. 0 people watching, not people, everybody left. I think they think I'm not funny. I mean, most of you guys are Chinese. Most of you guys are Indian, stinky Indian Chinese boys. I know you guys. You guys are stinky Indian boys. Get out of my stream, bye. I know my boy Trade is an Indian, scummy. I just play with you guys. I'm just playing. I love Indians, bro. Right up here. All right. How do I record this? Someone help me record. Flip it. All right. No. But how do I record? How do I do a screen recording, bro? Bro, I'm not using this recording shit. Hey Siri, screen record. Bro, oh my God, enter the settings. Bro, it's not even here. Oh, bitch. All right, I understand. Okay. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. I understand. I understand. You don't want to help me, bro. All right, I understand. So much you get up. I love listen to you. So at least even so. Take us now. Take us now. Straight for trade. Say, he don't like each other. Say, he boy. You say, you must say, some Sura. So Allah. Bro, I need this, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't. How do I record? How do you record, bro? You guys not gonna tell me how to record, okay? All right, all right. Okay, how do I record a screen recorder? Bro, I don't have the screen recording option. Bro, you guys just gonna. You guys gonna have to tell me that. Let's go to setting. Go to control center. Bruh. And and add screen recording option to your included options. All right, where is it at? Control center, access apps. I need the. Bro, yeah, can I get? There's no more option to this, bro. I don't want to. I don't want to set my thing to the minimum because that would mess up my thing. I don't know. A chat. Will this hit take profit? Put it down in comment section down below. for you, Todd. It's for you. CRT industry trader. Anyway, you just call USA. I was like, hey, oh, it's like, say, shit up. Yeah. Say, Tito. Shit. Trade up. You know, he's a money trader. So, shit. Hey, Tito. Tito. You tell them, see you. Just like that. He's that was not that fun, actually. All right, we got a closure, bro. Yeah, am I muted, chat? Am I muted? Am I muted? Oh, yeah. Yo, chat, make sure you guys know that I don't know if I'm muted, though. But we have a new reversal profile 2. So, profile 1, uno. So, one MQ mission, 5 mission expansion. So, we should expect the 9 to expand without waiting, but we could definitely go on a loss. Keep that in mind. We're risk takers. As long as we risk everything in the line, that's all we care about. But yeah, market went near our stop loss. You said you want to go back up. I was okay. All you though. I'm not gonna force you to go back up, but I'm gonna drop a SMT there. You could drop SMT. Oh, you like? Bro, what you pushing down, but he was doing up. Bro, stop doing that shit, man. I will get the confirmation though. That's all we care about. Damn, am I muted, chat? Why's nobody watching me, bro? Like, only 4 people, bro. Hey, fuck you guys, man. Fuck y'all niggas, man. Fuck y'all niggas. Y'all some niggas. Y'all some niggas. Hey, keep in mind, chat. I do not, what is it called? Cancel me because, you know why? Because I just be a slave, so I could say it. I have the privilege. Alright, so I be saying, if Tobin calls me a nigga, bro, I'll beat the fuck out of him, nigga. You can't call me a nigga, bro. Only mild niggas can call me a nigga. If you're not a nigga, you can't call me a nigga, alright? I won't beat the shit out you. Do not call me a nigga. Even if you're black, do not call me a, actually, if you're black, you can call me it, but if you're white, do not call me that shit, nigga. I'll beat the shit out you. I don't like, hey, I'm part of the black because I have to be one of them. Happy to be part of. I am happy to be part of them because we all made out the hood, you know. We all made it out, me included. What's your name, by the way? My name is. I'm not gonna tell you my name. What should I tell you my name, bro? Huh? What should I tell you my name? Where are you gonna give me? Are you gonna give me a Screenshot of that ass. Alright, let me stop doing all this bullshit. Yeah, market, we got a shitty entry. It's gonna be I don't even care a shit about this trade anymore, bro. I'm probably gonna hop off the chart very soon because I'm gonna let this market just play out. But chat, keep in mind, is a hit or a miss, it could definitely go on a loss. Come on, I told you mine now. Tell me yours. Oh, that's some pedophile shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I heard that before, bro. Some pedophile shit. Are you a pedophile, bro? Huh? You a pedophile? You gotta let me know if you're a pedophile first. I was just sniffing cocaine type shit. I'm like, but my name is the slave of the one, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, nobody else. So we're looking for a expansion, retracement, reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. Oh, I can hear now. Oh, no, mine just went away. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, bro. Well, I'm not funny, bro. Even me, it's like even my own brain is saying, bro, you're not funny, dog. Bro, I'm trying to entertain y'all though. I don't know how to, because I'm like, as you guys know, I'm very emotionless person. I'm cold, I'm calm, I'm calculated, I'm patient, confident, fearless, emotions not greedy. I do not feel. I only feel when I feel, but I never feel though. So that means I never feel. I never feel emotion when I win. I never feel emotion when I lose. I never feel emotion when I'm wrong. I never feel emotion when I'm right. A winning trade does not excite me. A losing trade does not faze me. Missing trade does not concern me. I'm very cold and calm, but I'm trying to bring out emotion. I'm trying hard to bring out emotion to entertain you guys, but y'all are ignorant, unaccepted. Y'all are ignorant. Y'all are ignorant, arrogant viewers, man. You guys do not support it. You guys do not support me laughing, me trying to juice, I'm joking. All I can say is, yeah, I can't see nothing much. All I can say is, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you, nigga. Alright, let me stop. I'm being racist to my own self. This is fucked up. Stop. Let me stop, bro. Alright, hold on. So I was trying to do some TikTok dance shit. I don't even watch TikTok, bro. Alright, my nigga, I'm going. Alright, my nigga, I'll see you later. I see you later, my boy, my nigga, man of Parmar. Manigi, Monuga. Alright, chat. Why am I so racist out of the sudden, like, oh, you know what I'm saying? May God forgive me. But I'm done though. Y'all are not looking at, we're in a trade, chat. So I'm gonna come back after the trade hit stop loss or take profit, but this is the end, chat. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna help this trade. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. You have 3 take profits. We usually always have 3 take profits. That's the interesting part, right? And yeah, stop loss here, entry here. We got a difference of entry because of the, you know what I'm saying? You guys know the slippage and spread and shit like that. And yeah, take profit 1 is a 2 RR, 2.8 RR. First take profit 2.6 RR. So we're going for a 2 RR, for the first take profit, which is fantastic. But is a hit or miss? Is Monday. We could definitely miss. When we miss, we're gonna lose -1 hour. As you guys know, our hit is higher than our miss. If we miss, we're gonna lose -1. But if we hit, we're gonna hit higher. Because Monday trade gives you beautiful setups. But yeah, with all expect to lose, and yeah, just gotta build good habits and get such fast from good habits. But if it's gonna go to loss, be for the loss. It is what it is. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Peace. I'm gonna see you guys after the trade hits take profit, but I'm gonna give you guys updates in the Discord. So make sure you guys are on Discord, and I'll see you guys on Discord. Peace out.